Azuki Bar is a popular frozen popsicle in Japan made from sweet Azuki red bean paste. It contains nothing complicated or artificial, but it's pleasantly sweet and full of flavor. We'll show you how to make it. Complete recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Wash the dried Azuki red beans and boil them in a large pot with 4 cups of water over medium heat. Let boil for about 5 minutes and discard the water. Strain, then return the beans to the pot. Add 2 cups of fresh water and we are cooking the beans until soft. If using a pressure cooker, add the pressure and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. If you are using a regular pot, cook for 1 hour over medium-low heat covered, adding water occasionally to keep the beans submerged. Press the beans with your fingers to check if they are soft enough to mash. Once softened, boil off most of the remaining water. When water is almost gone, mash the beans halfway with the back of a spatula, like that. Next, add the sugar in 3 parts, stirring and cooking over medium-low heat for 5 minutes in between each addition. You can adjust the amount of sugar if you like. The resulting popsicles made with this recipe are not too sweet. This is just like making regular Anko red bean paste. Finally, add 1 1/4 cups of water to the red bean paste and simmer to thin it out for a minute. And remove from heat. Pour the paste into popsicle or ice cream bar molds and insert plastic or wooden sticks into them and place them in a freezer for 1 day to allow them to freeze and set completely. When you are ready to eat, pour tap water over the molds, then pull the sticks to remove the frozen popsicles. If you like Anko sweet red bean paste, this is a must-try dessert. Hope you give it a try this summer.
美味しい。美味しいね。